Hi guys, I'm Kearney from Tool Raptors and I'm here to talk you through the Explorer 5140 case with a 184 piece 10 tools kit and a foam solution by Tool Raptors. I'm going to talk you through a few key features of this case. Now we have O-rings, top and front, with a multitude of latches all the way around. This means we get an IP68 rated waterproof case. We have a pressure release valve on the side, a strong and sturdy handle on the rear, in conjunction with 4 rubber self-lubricating wheels, and this means manoeuvrability wherever you are out in the field. We have metal latches on the front and side for any padlock of your choosing, which improves security. The whole case comes with a lifetime warranty, which, peace of mind. All drawers come with red clips on the side here, which means you can take the drawer out and take it to wherever you are on the job. In this 184 piece 10 tools kit, we have a selection of tools we believe best suit a variety of industries, from screwdrivers, hacksaws and multimeters, to a combination of metric spanners and sockets. These kits are great for engineers on the go, and they carry a lifetime warranty. A final reminder, all these kits are fully customizable. If you have any questions about this kit or any of the kits we do, get in touch with Tool Raptors or a Town Tools representative. I'm Kearney, this is Tool Raptors. We specialise in tool supply, procurement, storage and asset management. Thank you.